am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my walking tour of the beautiful beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. In this video, I'll be taking you on a virtual journey through some of the most stunning beaches that Pattaya has to offer. So, put on your sunscreen, grab your shades, and let's explore together. First things first, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a like and hit the subscribe button below.
If you want to see the hottest video cards from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know what you think about Pattaya's beaches. This is a quieter and more secluded beach that is perfect for those looking for a peaceful getaway. The beach is surrounded by trees and lush greenery, providing a relaxing atmosphere to unwind. We'll now make our way to Nakua Beach, located on the north side of Pattaya Bay. The beach is a bit rocky, but it's a great spot for those looking for some solitude away from the crowds. The area is relatively quiet and ideal for those who want to take a leisurely stroll along the shoreline. Our final stop is Wang Amat Beach, which is situated to the north of Pattaya Beach. This is a beautiful and clean beach, and it's a great place to take a dip in the clear waters or have a picnic. The beach is surrounded by lush green trees and tropical foliage, making it a great spot for some Insta-worthy photos. I hope you enjoyed this walking tour of Pattaya's beaches. If you did, please give this video a like and hit the subscribe button for more travel content like this. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know which of these beaches was your favorite.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in the next one. Bye!